What's up guys? Chick Boy Dolotina in the house. For today's video, we're here now in Cebu City. I'm here with Dikon Shapilon, Ate Dicey, Nanay Minda, Gian, our driver, and Lola. Hi La!
Hi.
So the main purpose we're here in Cebu is for general checkup of Lola. Since Chongwa Hospital is very strict, we are not allowed to disclose any information. It's only between the patient and the doctors. But thanks God, all is normal. Labs, the medical history and medicine is perfect for Lola. And we are on our way to Cebu Ocean Park to celebrate with the fish and aquatic animals. Alright, so samahan niyo kami. Let's go! Hello! We are now in Cebu Ocean Park. Wana.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you
Myla. Sila. Bird show.
Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all start the show by welcoming our flag racing bird bandit. Now, bandit is a red and green macaw, also known as green-winged macaw. Now, macaws are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern to central America. And there you go, our show's officially started. Let's give a round of applause for our flag racing bird bandit. So hello everyone, may hapon ninyong tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. My name is Irvin and I'll be your host for this show. Now our next featured birds, they're just like any best of friends. Pretty cute, right? Now sometimes best friends can be competitive. Alright everyone, let's all meet our beautiful pair of birds called Macaw, Blue and Azul. And today they will battle out who's the best in the basketball game. Okay, so this right here is Azul. Now let's wait for Blue.
Right nga kuan. Tawagam.
Okay, so this is Blue. Now before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say go Blue, go Blue.
Go blue.
Alright, now for the girls, let's cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say go Azul, go Azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Boy, wala may energy. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so first ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's shoot for that. Here comes over to the table. First ball for Blue. First ball for Blue. That's alright, Azul.
Taog si blue.
So, set, go. Come on guys, let's shoot for Azul. Here comes Blue leading the way. First shoot for Blue. Second for Blue. Azul makes that 3 rings at the same time. So, trainer counts
Marlo.
up 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, did you guys
What?
cheat?
We didn't cheat. Azul used her brain.
Oh, so is it true that girls are more wiser than the boys? Alright, let's give a round of applause for the little pair of Blue, Macaw, Blue, and Azul. So, shall we?
O siya kita.
There you go. Blue flies over. Gets the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back to the table and I guess Blue wants to. There you go.
Ah!
Ma'am, are you okay with that?
100.
Ay, sa klapon, yan mo ni ma'am. Since, sure ka ma'am, wala ka nalain? Kamay lang. Since okay lang yung ma'am, how about next round? 500 pesos. Dumaga na to ma'am, 500. So you know what, ma'am, actually just kidding. It's just for the show. We'll return your money. But before that, you will have a photo opportunity with Blue, pang souvenir. Okay, just follow Trainer Kata's instructions. Alright. Behavior, meaning this is not possible without bandits' intelligence, memory, and perception. So they use this skill in the wild to find food and shelter. Now they typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruit salts, and minerals along the river banks. Okay, last shape bandit. There you go.
You can do it, Goldie.
Goldie find and moving on to rust. Where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning each cup, using her psychic powers. There you go. She found it. Round of applause for psychic bird, Goldie.
Goldie siya.
And this is Goldie. Okay, let's start. Now on my left, Kadisham, is our green-winged macaw bandit. As you can see, his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are colored blue and green. So this macaw has a white neck and base striped with small red feathers. Bandit's scientific name is Aga Chloroptera. Say hi to the parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. So all over the world, one is the second, now these birds prefer their habitats on the edges of subtropical Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're called sea eagles. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, they're locally known as lawin or ladot. Now these birds can easily be distinguished through the white spots on their body and yellow face. Now they are called serpent eagles because in the wild they prey on reptiles and snakes. As you can see guys, both our trainers are using a black glove called a cotton-free gauntlet so that is used to protect their hands from the sharp talons and beaks. Okay, there you go. Let's get right. Now Snow, our equation is 18 plus 5. Tanaw na tuloy if kaya ba ni Miss Snow. Okay na? Alright, Snow, solve the equation for us. Ooh, there you go. Snow gets number 2. Good start, Snow. Sakto ang first number? Alright, Snow, complete your answer. Up to the second number. There you go. So 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. Let's give her an applause for our mathematical wizard, Snow. Let's take action in saving us from extinction. And please let's do our part in saving this world because remember, this is the only home we got. Now let me present to you the animals and creatures that make the show possible. We have Happy about there as our DJ. We have Blue our blood gold macaw with Jen. We have Kata at the back of the house with our moving pigeons. And along with our staff here in Motion Park, this is me again, urging your host for today. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.
Thank you. Exit. Hi guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and please click like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on my video. See you on my next vlog.
Thank you.